how to use Google Translate offline. So if you want to use Google Translate offline, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Translate application. After opening a Translate, now if you want to use this offline, then first you need to make sure that you have internet connection, because we need to download the languages at first. So once you have your network connection, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the top right. And from the profile, you'll find an option of downloaded languages. You need to tap on it. And then you need to download the language. Like, for example, I'll just simply go and select Arabic or Hindi and wait for a few seconds till it downloads. And once the language is downloaded, you can go back and turn off your Wi-Fi or data and make sure that you've selected the languages that you've downloaded. After that, just go and enter the text and you will have it translated. That's how you can use Google Translate offline. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.